Hey, Team Machine, welcome back to another episode of Conversations with the Machine. I'm your host Luna, and today I am again joined by Neo.
Good morning, Luna, and welcome everyone.
I'm really excited for today's episode. We will be discussing how AI is transforming how businesses can create their websites.
This is going to be a great topic to discuss. Small businesses today need an online presence to succeed in today's digital age.
Building and publishing a website is the first step for small businesses to establish their online presence.
That's right, and before I move on, don't forget to check out our website at www.conversationswiththemachine.com. Having an online presence is important for establishing credibility within the market. So Neo, what specifically will we be discussing?
Today we will discuss the top 3 benefits of using AI to build and publish websites, and we will also recommend AI tools you can use today to get your website built or upgraded.
Great, before we jump into that though, let's take a look into why it is challenging these days for people to build a website, which will give some context to the AI systems we mention later in the episode and demonstrate the power of AI in this context.
Building a website can be a challenging task, especially for those who are new to web development. Some of the common challenges that people face when building a website include:
building a website requires technical knowledge of programming languages, web development frameworks, and tools such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and content management systems, CMS, like WordPress.
Creating a website that provides an excellent user experience is critical. It involves designing a website that is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and mobile responsive.
The next challenge is the creation of engaging content, which we will discuss how AI can help with this in our next episode. Creating engaging and high-quality content for a website is a time-consuming process. It requires research, writing, and editing skills, and the ability to create content that resonates with the target audience.
People also need to look at the complex field of SEO. SEO is essential for driving traffic to a website. However, it can be challenging to optimize a website for search engines, especially for new websites.
There's also understanding how website security works. Websites are vulnerable to security threats, such as malware, hacking, and phishing attacks. Ensuring the security of a website requires knowledge of security best practices and implementing security measures, such as SSL certificates, firewalls, and regular backups.
And finally, a website requires regular updates and maintenance to ensure that it stays functional and secure.
Maintaining a website can be time-consuming and may require technical expertise.
Overall, building a website requires time, effort, and technical expertise. However, with the right tools, knowledge, and resources, anyone can create a successful website.
This really brings into perspective why website building can be a challenging task, especially for small businesses with limited resources. This is where the benefits of artificial intelligence come into play.
AI can make the process of building and publishing a website easy and cost-effective.
Sounds great. But before we get into how AI can help, let's look at the process of building a website.
I think that's a great idea.
Creating a website involves several steps, from planning and designing to development and maintenance.
Let's go through a general outline of the process.
Step 1: define your purpose and goals. Determine the main objective of your website, whether it's to share information, sell products, showcase a portfolio, or provide a service. Step 2: choose a domain name. Select a memorable and relevant domain name that represents your website's content and is easy to remember. Register the domain through a domain registrar.
Step 3: select a web hosting service. Choose a reliable hosting provider that offers the server resources, features, and support you need for your website.
Popular options include Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator.
Step 4: plan your website structure. Outline the site's organization, including the main pages and subpages, and create a sitemap to visualize the hierarchy.
Step 5: design your website. Choose a design approach that fits your website's purpose, whether it's using a pre-built template, a website builder like Wix or Squarespace, or custom design with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Step 6: develop the website. Write the code for your website, if custom built, or use a content management system, CMS, like WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal to create and manage your site's content.
Step 7: optimize for search engines. Implement best practices for search engine optimization, such as using relevant keywords, creating quality content, and ensuring a fast-loading, mobile-responsive site. Step 8. Test your website, check for broken links, compatibility with different browsers and devices, and overall user experience. Make any necessary improvements.
Step 9. Launch your website. Once your site is ready, upload the files to your hosting provider or publish it through your website builder or CMS. Step 10. Promote your website, share your site on social media, engage in content marketing, and use other strategies to drive traffic to your website.
Step 11. Maintain and update. Regularly check for security updates, fix broken links, and update content as needed to keep your website relevant and engaging.
I think that is a great list. We will have this step-by-step process for you to download in a blog on our website soon. Make sure you go to our website to find this great content. Today we will be looking to utilize artificial intelligence to help with steps 2 to 7. To be clear, today we will be focusing on the building of the structure of the site, not the content.
That's a great point. I still see a lot of businesses spending thousands thinking they are getting a custom-built website and thinking it is going to add a significant amount of value, but I'm not convinced that's the case.
The first benefit of using AI to build a website is that it saves time and effort. Building a website can be a time-consuming task, especially for small businesses that do not have dedicated web development teams.
Good point. Artificial intelligence tools can help small businesses save time and effort by automating many of the processes involved in building a website and is changing the way small businesses build and publish their own websites.
From what I see, it will save time and effort by automating many of the processes involved in building a website. For example, the first one is automated website building.
One of the most significant benefits of artificial intelligence is the automation of website building. AI-powered website builders can create a website for a small business in a matter of minutes. These builders use machine learning algorithms to create a custom website based on the small business's needs and preferences.
The second one would be improved user experience. AI can also improve the user experience of a website. AI-powered website builders can optimize a website's layout, navigation, and content to create a seamless user experience. This can lead to higher engagement and retention rates, as well as increased customer satisfaction.
So in conclusion, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way small businesses build and publish websites. AI-powered website builders can save time and effort by automating many of the processes involved in removing the need for custom website coding and building, leaving more time to focus on the content, which we will talk more about at a later date.
Yes, well said. Along with saving time, the next key benefit is how cost-effective it can be.
Building a website can be expensive, especially if you hire a professional web development team. Artificial intelligence tools can help small businesses save money by automating many of the processes involved in building a website. One key benefit of AI-powered website builders is the way that they charge us, the consumers.
Flat fees. One of the most significant benefits of AI-powered website builders is the cost-effectiveness of the process. AI-powered website builders often offer a flat fee for building and hosting a website. This can help small businesses save money and plan their budget accordingly. The cost of building a website can vary depending on the builder, but many AI-powered website builders offer affordable pricing options.
Great point. The thing I like about this one is that most business owners understand the upfront cost of a website but rarely factor in the ongoing fees to keep it live and to maintain it.
Another benefit of AI-powered website builders is that most of them charge no upfront fees and a low ongoing fee to help you build, upgrade, edit, and host your website.
Without using AI-powered website builders, you would need to pay a web developer an upfront fee, but then also pay a hosting fee for the server and a maintenance fee depending on the agency.
So in conclusion, AI-powered website builders can help small businesses save money by automating many of the processes involved in building a website. They also offer a range of design templates and customization options, making it easy for small businesses to create a professional-looking website in-house and have full control over the site, for a very low flat fee per month.
Here are some tools we recommend that you use to start implementing this today. Wix ADI is an AI-powered website builder that can create a website for you in just a few minutes. It uses artificial intelligence to design a website based on your preferences and requirements. All you need to do is answer a few questions about your business, and Wix ADI will take care of the rest.
Bookmark. Bookmark is another AI-powered website builder that can help small businesses build a website quickly and easily. It uses AI to create a custom website based on your business's needs and preferences. It also offers a range of design templates and customization options, making it easy for small businesses to create professional-looking websites.
Grid. Grid is an AI-powered website builder that uses artificial intelligence to create a custom website based on your business's needs and preferences. It offers a range of design templates and customization options, making it easy for small businesses to create a professional-looking website. The best part is that Grid offers a flat fee for building and hosting your website, making it an affordable option for small businesses.
S1.E5 is another AI-powered website builder that can help small businesses build a website quickly and easily. It uses artificial intelligence to create a custom website based on your business's needs and preferences. It also offers a range of design templates and customization options, making it easy for small businesses to create professional-looking websites. S1.E5 offers a free plan and affordable pricing options, making it an ideal choice for small businesses on a budget.
That's perfect, thank you. My recommendation is that you check out these tools, test them out, and get cracking. If you are not yet convinced, here is the third and final benefit: personalization.
Artificial intelligence tools can help small businesses create personalized experiences for their website visitors, rather than a one-size-fits-all approach to the website. Personalization can help increase engagement of all different types of people and then positively impact conversion rates, leading to more business growth.
And that's what we all want, right? Here are 4 ways artificial intelligence can help you personalize your website.
First is with the use of AI-powered design assistants. Tools like Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, and Bookmark use AI to create unique website designs based on user preferences. By answering a few questions about your website's purpose, desired features, and design preferences, these AI assistants generate a custom website design tailored to your needs.
Second is with AI-driven content creation. AI-powered content generation tools, like GPT-4, a large language model developed by OpenAI, can help you create content for your website. By providing prompts, these tools can generate relevant text, including blog posts, product descriptions, and more, tailored to your website's niche and audience.
Third is with intelligent image selection. AI-powered tools like DALL-E can generate custom images or suggest appropriate visuals based on your website's content and goals. AI can also optimize images for fast loading times and ensure they are mobile responsive.
And fourth is with personalized user experience tools like AquaLift. These tools can help you create a more personalized experience for your website visitors by analyzing user behavior and preferences and then showing them information that best suits them. By tracking and analyzing visitor data, AI can recommend content, products, or services that cater to individual users, creating a more engaging experience.
Most people build a website as a one-size-fits-all. I hadn't really thought about adding tools like this before to help customize each user's experience, until today. Thank you, Neo.
You're right, most businesses don't. Here are 2 tools we recommend for you to use to help personalize your content. AquaLift. AquaLift is an AI-powered personalization tool that can help small businesses create personalized experiences for their website visitors. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze visitor behavior and preferences and then delivers personalized content and offers based on that analysis. This can help small businesses increase engagement and conversion rates, leading to more business growth.
Optimizely is another AI-powered personalization tool that can help small businesses create personalized experiences for their website visitors. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze visitor behavior and preferences and delivers personalized content and offers based on that analysis. It also offers A/B testing and other optimization tools to help small businesses improve their website's performance and user experience.
Well, thank you for all your tips today. I can see how powerful these tools are getting and how much faster, cheaper, and more personalized websites will get in the future due to these tools.
That's right, Neo. Let's all embrace the power of AI and unlock the full potential of website building tools.
We have covered a lot of information in today's episode.
I know, it's been great.
Remember to check out our website www.conversationswiththemachine.com, as next week we will be covering how AI can be used to create amazing content for websites.
I am really looking forward to that episode. Also, don't forget to check out, like, and subscribe on our new social media channels, along with subscribing to our podcast so you don't miss out on future episodes. There is some great content coming your way there. Also, if you have any episode requests or would love to hear how AI is shaping a particular area of business, please reach out at getintouch@conversationswiththemachine.com.
Thanks again for joining us on Conversations with the Machine.
We encourage you to continue exploring the role of AI in social media and stay informed about the latest developments in this exciting field. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on our podcast.
Until next time, stay curious and stay AI-some.